can you tell me, why are you running for mayor?
I have a lot of strengths. I've had, my background has been in leadership. My master's degree was in leadership and higher education, so I bring a lot of skills in terms of leadership, and I think that the community has been very good to me over the years. This is Give Hastings Day, and so one of the things I want to do is give back to the community and use my skills to help us grow.
And what do you feel are some of the top issues?
Some of the top issues are housing has been a huge issue in the community and trying to address the housing needs. We have transportation issues, economic development. I think child care is an issue that needs to be addressed in our community. So there are a number of areas that we need to look at and improve in.
How do you plan on doing that?
I plan to do that by working with the department heads in the city, by working with our city council and other areas, perhaps working with the state senator, and making sure that we're in a position to draw the finances that are needed to develop the skills. I believe in making sure that we have trust, transparency, and certainly to work as a team. Collaborative efforts, I think, are what help us grow.
How are you going to help Hastings grow?
How am I going to help Hastings grow? It's a great question, and again, it comes back to addressing the issues that have been addressed in our survey, but I also think that we also have to make sure that we have good listening skills, listen to our constituents, listen to the community, and bring those to the forefront and address those as we can. And again, like I said, I think that we need to look at what are some of the financial opportunities that we can take advantage of. Also look at what do we need to do in terms of our budget and addressing budget needs.
What are some of your strengths you feel like as a leader that Hastings is missing right now?
Well, I think we have a lot of great people in the community, and so I don't know if there's people that are really missing in that. I just think that we have opportunities to enhance what we've had in the past. I think we have an opportunity to grow. We've had a lot of great things in this community that have been developed over the years, and I feel that we can work on those things, but there's some other issues that I think we need to address and can improve.
Trust is always a big issue with leadership. How are you going to build trust?
How am I going to build trust? I think we sit down with people and find out what are the differences, making sure that we are listening to what people have to say, bring those to the table, and if we have some differences, how do we work together to make sure we have a common vision? So I think that we need to look at what do we all want to accomplish in the community, bring our differences to the plate, address the differences, but yet bring those together and all move in one direction as best we can.
And with 5 candidates total, why should they vote for you? Why should citizens vote for you?
Well, I think that over the years, I've had over 35 years of strong leadership, proven leadership. My master's degree, as I mentioned before, is in leadership. I've worked with Central Community College and a number of other community colleges over the years. With Central, started a number of new programs, worked with the school systems to make sure we have partnerships, develop an opportunity to grow our workforce, brought in new programs, and over $15 million just in grants alone.
Okay. And is there anything else that you would like to share that I didn't ask you?
I think that those are some great questions. I think that there are 5 great candidates that are in the running, so the community certainly has a good choice to look at what do they see as important and who do they feel would be able to accomplish some of those things. So what I would say is May 14th is our primary. Get out and vote.